Guys, get out in nature. Get outside. For God's sakes, put the phone down, man. Have the guts to leave your phone behind and walk the dog, but get in nature alone. I know that's easy for me to say. I've got I've got BLM land. That doesn't mean Black Lives Matter land. It's Bureau of Land Management, BLM land. If you live out in the West, you know what BLM land. It's lands that's ours to use. And I can hop in my truck right now and be in BLM land in a couple of minutes at a trailhead and just explore. Guys, find your own thing. If it's a city park, fine, go. Be out there alone. Get out of the city limits. Find your nature. Find that to you. Go fishing, go hunting, go hug a tree, man. Go up to a tree. Make sure no one's looking and hug the damn tree. If you need to be wearing your, yeah, wear Birkenstocks while you're at it, okay? And be a real tree hugger. I mean it. Do it. Take your hands and rub them on the bark of an 80-year-old blue spruce that's 80, 90 feet tall. Rub, that is God's creation. Look at the whole universe of a system that works in that tree. Go out and get lost. Get afraid in nature. It's really wild. I'm armed. I'm armed when I go out because there's a lot of animals out here. It is so wild to be out there, man. Like I made a video about it earlier this summer. Frankie and I came across a bear. There he was. Boom. Frankie saw him first, and there's a bear. It wasn't but about 40 feet from us. Just we're coming across just lush undergrowth of the forest, say about 3, 4 feet tall. And I swear, I look over. Frankie just froze up still. Boom. He looks over, and they're just about 40 feet away. It was like it was a stuffed animal. It was this bear chest up, just as still as he could be. And then he started gently walking away. These are black bears here. These aren't like brown bear grizzly bears in Alaska, but still, be afraid. Oh my gosh, get lost in the forest, man. Get lost in the forest. Don't be a dumbass. Make sure that you have what you need. I can go out on a warm day, but put a poncho and a granola bar, or make sure that I have something to light fires with. Pretend that when you're going out into real wilderness, that you're going to be forced to sleep there overnight, right? But learn to go out in the forest and be afraid and have it freak you out. You know why? It's just, why is that a masculine thing? Because it's just what we want to do. That's what we're drawn to. That's what we're drawn to. Men are drawn to danger. We're drawn to risk. All the guys, all the heroes of the Bible were all like this. They were drawn to risk. They were drawn to rocking the boat, and you can be too. Nurture your creativity. That's manly. Again, David was such a beautiful example of that. Wow. What would we do without the Psalms? His creativity, that's what we long for. His words. God, you search me and you know me. Every day of my life was written in your book before any of them came to be. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You lead me beside still waters. 3,000 years later, we're still repeating these beautiful words. That's the greatest poetry ever written. And it came from King David himself, flawed King David himself. Nurture that. That's what the field guide is all about. I don't know what your thing is. Mindful smartphone photography is accessible. It's always with you. It's the camera that you always have with you. And it's such a powerful way to use our visual sense to get present. And you can learn that skill. So this isn't like I am a pro photographer. I've been lots of experience as a professional photographer. That's not what this is all about. This isn't about taking pretty pictures with a fancy camera. No, this is that using that amazing smartphone camera. I hardly ever use my big boy camera anymore, but it's about using that camera of yours. And the simplest way I can put it is mindful smartphone photography is getting out there and finding God's beauty and capturing an image of it. It's like being on a scavenger hunt for God's beauty.